Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? What is everybody doing? I am just sitting outside enjoying nature, listening to the wind blow, feeling the cool breeze because I am so ready for it to get cold because it is hot. And on top of all that, just hearing the birds and hearing nature, I just love it. It's so peaceful out here. You can just meditate. It's just so peaceful. And I am sitting up under the tree, sitting up under the tree because the wind just feels so amazing. It feels good out here. Oh, that'd be a cute picture right there. Okay. But yeah, I hope everybody's having a good day.